Today, I wanted to remind you to ask. On my computer, I have ask, seek, knock, and it'll be given to you. Ask, you shall be given. Seek, you shall find. Knock, and it'll be open to you. You've got to remember to ask God for what you want, and you've got to remember that His plans are to prosper you, not to harm you. Be very specific when you ask for something. Ask for exactly what you want, and God will give it to you. He's not going to let you down. You can ask for anything, and His heart delights in giving you your wishes. He only asks of you that you obey and that you listen and that you do all things for His glory. But remember to ask, and God will give it to you.